All right, so we've talked about the customer side of things, but what about what's happening behind the scenes? There's a whole other layer of complexity here that often gets overlooked, but it's just as important. For bookings to go smoothly, there are a lot of pieces that need to come together at the back end. You need to have the right commercial agreements in place with your distribution partners, whether that's OTAs, corporate groups, or wholesalers, so that everyone is clear on rates, conditions, and what's being offered. Then there's your rate structure. You've got to set up different rate plans that make sense for different kinds of bookings, and those rates need to be consistent across all your channels. There's also the payment process, which needs to be easy and secure for the customer, but also efficient on your end. And let's not forget the technology. Each of these booking channels, whether it's your own website, OTAs, or corporate partners, have different technical requirements, and you need to make sure everything is connected properly. If something's not working, it's not just an inconvenience, it could mean lost bookings and lost revenue. Finally, there's the data. Every booking generates data that can be super useful for improving your processes. You want to be able to track where bookings are coming from, what's working, and what's not. This way, you can continually improve your distribution strategy. So, when we look at the front end, the customer facing side, and the back end, the operational side, they both need to work together seamlessly. And this is where hotel distribution comes in as the backbone of your hotel's success. Imagine if your distribution isn't set up correctly. Sales might be out there hustling to bring in business, but what if your clients can't actually book because the system isn't working? Or maybe marketing has launched a great promotion, but the booking link leads to an error or shows no availability. And if bookings aren't coming in, your revenue management team won't have enough data to optimize pricing and maximize revenue. These things are all connected, and when distribution falls apart, it affects every part of your business. That's why it's so critical to have a solid distribution framework in place. It ensures that all the function, sales, marketing, revenue management, and all the systems and processes are aligned. When everything's working together, you're not just making it easier for customers to book, you're making sure your hotel can run efficiently and profitably. So, there you have it. Hotel distribution might sound like behind the scenes topic, but it's actually the key to your hotel's commercial success. It touches everything from how customers find you, to how they book, to how you manage your revenue, and keep the business running smoothly.